Experiencing issues with Apple Intelligence on your iPhone 17, 17 Pro, or 17 Pro Max running iOS 26? You're not alone. This video will guide you through troubleshooting steps to get Apple Intelligence up and running. We'll cover everything from eligibility checks to more advanced fixes. Stay tuned. Several factors can prevent Apple Intelligence from working correctly. These include server congestion during initial setup, unstable Wi-Fi, corrupted files, insufficient storage, software bugs, regional incompatibilities, and even carrier restrictions. Understanding these potential roadblocks is the first step to fixing the problem. We'll explore solutions for each of these in the following sections. Apple Intelligence requires specific hardware capabilities to run properly. Make sure you're using a compatible iPhone model. This includes the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Pro, iPhone 17 Pro Max, and other newer devices running iOS 26 or later. Older iPhones lack the necessary neural engine to handle these AI tasks. Check your model to ensure compatibility before proceeding. Sometimes Apple Intelligence isn't automatically enabled after installing iOS 26. To manually activate it, start by opening the Settings app on your iPhone. Navigate to the Apple Intelligence and Siri section. This is where you'll find all the controls for Apple's AI features. Once you're in the Apple Intelligence and Siri settings, locate the main Apple Intelligence toggle and switch it to the on position. This action will begin downloading the necessary AI models directly to your device. The download size is typically around 5 to 10 gigabytes, so ensure you have sufficient storage space and a stable internet connection. Once the download completes, Apple Intelligence will be fully enabled and ready to use. You can now access enhanced Siri interactions, predictive text, and other AI-powered features on your iPhone. Apple Intelligence may be region-restricted, especially during initial rollout. Change your iPhone's region to the United States or another supported region by navigating to Settings, General, then Language and Region. First, open your Settings app and scroll down to find General. Tap General, then select Language and Region. In Language and Region, tap Region and change it to United States or another supported region. After changing the region, restart your iPhone to apply the changes. A simple restart can often resolve minor glitches with Apple Intelligence. This clears temporary data and refreshes system processes. Force close any apps that heavily use Apple Intelligence features like Siri or shortcuts. This stops background processes that might be causing issues. Now, restart your iPhone by holding the power button until the slider appears, then slide to power off. Wait a few seconds, then turn it back on. Go to Settings, General, iPhone Storage to offload or delete apps that rely on Apple Intelligence. Then reinstall them from the App Store to get fresh versions. In Settings, tap your name at the top, scroll down, and sign out. Wait a moment, then sign back in with your credentials. This refreshes your cloud services connection. Check for updates in the App Store, specifically for system apps like Siri and shortcuts. Updating ensures you have the latest versions with bug fixes. These steps help clear any corrupted cached data and give Apple Intelligence a fresh start on your iPhone. If all previous fixes haven't worked, a factory reset can resolve deeper configuration issues. This is the last resort option. Most importantly, back up your iPhone first to avoid losing any data. Navigate to Settings, then scroll down to General. In General, select Transfer or Reset iPhone. Choose Erase All Content and Settings. This will completely wipe your phone. The reset process will begin. Your iPhone will restart and show the setup screen. During setup, select the United States as your region. When prompted, enable Apple Intelligence. This restores your phone to factory defaults with the feature properly set up. This is a last-ditch effort and will erase everything, so use it only if necessary. By following these steps, you should have successfully resolved most common Apple Intelligence issues on your iPhone 17 series device. Remember to ensure compatibility with your iPhone 15 Pro or later model. Enable the feature manually through Settings, adjust region and language settings if needed, and try restarting your device or reinstalling apps. If the problem persists after these attempts, consider a factory reset as a final option. If issues continue, contact Apple support for further assistance. Apple Intelligence should now be working smoothly on your device.